How is the college or its support staff supporting you right now?
I've felt the support from both college and my tutors, and actually fellow students really well these past few weeks. I'm quite lucky in that as a third year I had my brief set just before kind of lockdown started, so I'm kind of fully aware of what I need to do for my deadlines, and really we are still able to get in contact with our tutors and we can still have online crits. They've been quite helpful so far. One of our tutors, Bridget Ashton, is actually doing online life drawing on Thursdays as well, and that has so far meant that we've drawn things around us, kind of things to hand. We've actually drawn our hands as well. We've done lots of little challenges and stuff like that, and I know that's been a highlight for quite a lot of us. It's been a good laugh and it's keeping us drawing. So yeah, I think the tutors have really pulled all the stops to kind of make this as comfortable for us as possible.
Illustration PCA are some of the best people that I've ever met in terms of really keeping on top of their emails, keeping on top of how their students are feeling, tailoring things to us. When everything was just locking down, we were all a little bit worried about sort of what was going on with the college, what would end up happening to our grades, to different things that going to be happening. They're really reassuring with helping us contact different places we need to ask about extending deadlines, or setting up different things like studio times or Q&A sessions so we can all talk to each other, and really get to know exactly what was going on, and we'd have all the same information they did. They're really transparent. Bridget especially, she set up a life drawing class which has been really amazing and helps us feel like we're not losing out on that tutor time, even though we're not there physically. They've managed to do and deliver pretty much the same sort of content that we'd be getting otherwise, which I think is really amazing.
So what PCA Student Support has done is take its counselling sessions online. So at the moment, you're able to go into the Student Support website. They have given me a lot of assertiveness by sending me emails, informing me that if I do want to help, I can go to them.
It's a very weird time, as we all know, and I would say at the moment my lecturers are doing a wonderful job of supporting everyone. Even though it's technically the Easter break at the moment, I've emailed a couple of them just asking general questions, asking for feedback for work, and they've been so quick to respond. Even though it's their break, they're very encouraging, and they're always saying this is going to be a weird time, but you will get through it and it will be okay. The other thing is the student union socials. So they're always posting tips to keep motivated and keep happy in the lockdown. I know that I can talk to my SU president if I'm having a tough time, and just knowing that is just great. That's how the college is supporting me during this weird time.
I've had video calls with my tutor, which has been really useful both academically and for personal issues that I've had. I've also been contacted by the support teams just to check that I'm okay, and I know the help is available if I need it, which has been really useful right now.